Okay, my name is Kennedy Hauser, and my seed dispersal presentation is on the effects of seed morphology and elaiosome chemical composition on attractiveness of 5 Trillium species to seed dispersing ants. The plant introduction, this is a picture of the 5 species that were focused on in this study, and the region focused on was the Southern Appalachian region. They used 5 sites in northwest Georgia and 2 near the border of Georgia, North Carolina, and South Carolina. All of these areas had low-lying mesic deciduous forests with moderate to thick canopy cover. The species of insect used in this is a Phaenogaster, no specific species from that genus though. They all display a preference for dispersing the diaspores of the geographically widespread trilliums. And here they are eating the seeds. There were 3 hypotheses for this study. First, they wanted to quantify interspecific differences in diaspore morphology, which led to the hypothesis of more attractive species of trillium will have larger diaspores overall and higher elaiosome seed mass ratios than less attractive species. Next, they wanted to assess interspecific differences in concentrations of elaiosome fatty acids. So this led to the hypothesis of concentrations of key fatty acids including oleic acid, will be higher in the elaiosomes of the more attractive species. Finally, they wanted to assess interspecific differences in elaiosome phytochemical profiles, which led to the last hypothesis of elaiosome phytochemical profiles of the more attractive species will be more tightly clustered in multivariate space than those of less attractive species, reflecting greater stabilizing selection by ant dispersers. Then, contrary to their first hypothesis, elaiosome mass, width, and seed mass ratios were not significantly different among different species. As you can see, looking at the table, all of the numbers are roughly within the same range. But the final 2 hypotheses were supported. You can see in the red boxes that the more attractive species of trillium contained higher fatty acid concentrations, and then overall triglycerides were the most apparent in their study. Thank you.